What is up, guys? So here we are with another video update. I hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. Last week was absolutely epic with the DWAC play. I hope you guys caught that play. So now in this latest video, we've got another play coming up for you guys. Ticker symbol BENE, guys. BENE Capital Acquisition Corp. So this is a sympathy play off of the DWAC SPAC. This SPAC is also run by the same CEO is just running the SPAC for DWAC that's merging with Trump's media empire. So we're going to talk about this. Okay, guys, I just jumped into this stock early in pre-market at around $17.70. So I wanted to quickly upload this video to give you guys the rundown, the rationale behind it. And this stock is quickly moving right now. Okay, it's right now as I'm currently uploading this video, it's trading at $19. It's up on some crazy volume, and I really think that this one has some potential to kind of really pump, just like we saw DWAC pump earlier in the week. So before I get into the video, guys, I want to remind you guys to check out Webull, guys. Webull is my favorite alternative to Robinhood, guys. You guys sign up, you will get 2 free stocks. All you have to do is open your Webull brokerage account, get your first free stock, and then you direct deposit any amount, you'll get another stock, guys. So be sure to check out the links in the description below. You guys grab your free stocks so you guys can start trading and things like that. So let's get into the bulk of the video, guys. What is going on with BENE? So basically, we're seeing this stock absolutely pump. Okay, the volume is really spectacular. And if we kind of back up, we can see that the volume on a Friday session was super high, guys, at 61 million shares traded on Friday. So this is a big green candle, and now a lot of people obviously are looking for the next DWAC play. That stock is actually pumping as well, and I alerted, if you guys been following me on Twitter, I alerted that stock at around 70 bucks. It pumped all the way to $175. So congrats to you guys that made some money on this play. Now, a lot of that money that poured into DWAC, guys, it's going to be swinging into BENE. BENE. Okay, guys, so this is the rationale. So we're going to talk a little bit about this company, what's going on with it, and give you guys where I think this thing could head. So there was a really nice blog post posted on Seeking Alpha. It says, meet your next runner, BENE, same CEO as DWAC. To give you guys a quick due diligence, Patrick Orlando, okay, he's the CEO of DWAC, and he's also the CEO of BENE. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. BENE, guys. So basically, if you guys aren't familiar with SPACs, they're basically a blank check company. It's basically money looking for a company. That's exactly what happened with DWAC. That's what's happening with BENE. And it looks like they're currently in talks with E-Combustible. Okay, this is a maker of hydrogen-based fuel. This is looking to disrupt the whole fossil fuel legacy space. We have a lot of alternative energy companies coming into the space looking to disrupt this, to reduce fossil fuel emissions, carbon emissions, things like that. So to make a long story short, guys, basically this guy is running these 2 SPACs. So I think a lot of that money that was looking into DWAC is kind of thinking, okay, I made some good profits there, where's the next pump? And as you can see, guys, we head over, you can see that this company is valued at around $1 billion. Okay, so usually these SPACs come in at around 10 bucks if you guys aren't familiar, and at $1 billion. So currently the price is currently at around $18, okay, as of recording this video. So that would be valuing the company $1.8 billion on a total market cap. So now let's talk a little bit about E-Combustible itself. So obviously, guys, okay, if you guys aren't familiar with alternative energy companies, it says E-Combustible is a next generation customizable hydrogen-based fuel that replaces, outperforms fossil fuels, conventional hydrogen, and renewables at a primary energy source for combustible processes, transforming any thermal or electric operation to a more efficient, clean burning system that saves money for the environment. There's an article on Benzinga. It talks about they're talking, so they're in talks right now. So this deal hasn't 100% been finalized, but pretty much most of these SPAC companies, okay, are going to be looking to merge with some type of company that's in a new space. So crypto, NFTs, alternative energy, and plant-based meats, whatever these new industries that are going to be disrupting the old legacy industries in the next couple of years throughout this decade. That's what a lot of these SPACs are merging to. So now let's talk about where I think this stock's going to go. So the reason why I like BENE so much is a couple of reasons, guys. So for the first reason is that it's super low float. So when we're talking about the float, we're basically talking about the shares outstanding. And as you can see here, the float is basically the number of shares that are available. So you have a company with low shares outstanding and then an even lower float. So there's only like 10 million shares on the float. And usually these low float stocks, these stocks can really pump quickly because it's just a simple supply demand thing just going on with DWAC. So only 10 million shares floated. And right now, looking at the current short interest, it really isn't that high. But, a lot of these stocks can simply just pump on low float alone. And that's just enough of a big catalyst to take them much higher. And as I mentioned earlier, okay, last week, this stock had around 61 million shares traded. So we're going to really see what happens with the volume today. But this was a massive green candle. Okay, so I didn't put a ton of money into this play because these are some really volatile plays. But looking back at DWAC, I probably should have put a lot more in because we really nailed that pick, guys. So congrats you guys that hit that one. So basically, we're going to see, obviously this one isn't probably going to have the same amount of attention that the Trump SPAC did, simply because obviously a lot of, conservatives and things like that are going to support the Trump SPACs and his companies and things like that. But the good news is that a lot of people made profits off of DWAC, and now they're looking to roll that money somewhere. So this is just one of the fewer plays. There's actually a couple of other plays on the radar. Mark, MARK. So I'll be making videos about that throughout today's trading session. But I just wanted to quickly get this video out for you guys before the market opens if you guys are looking for the next greatest plays. So like I said, guys, long term, I don't think that this SPAC will nearly pump as high. So I don't think it's going to go to like $150, $175 like the Trump SPAC did. But I mean, if you get in at around like I said, guys, it's not financial advice. Please do not invest money you can't afford to lose. But we'll see. I don't know. It's been strong volume, pretty good volume in the pre-market. Who knows how high this could pump, okay? There's going to be a lot of, like I said, there's going to be a lot of money kind of transitioning off of DWAC. DWAC might pump again, but still there's a lot of profits, a lot of new money looking for these pumps. And, after kind of a really boring, kind of summer like August and September, there really wasn't a lot going on. Crypto was kind of down and a lot of people were on vacation. There's a lot of new money coming into the markets because people are off vacation now and they're looking to say, okay, where can I make some money? So I just wanted to give you guys a quick video alert. If you guys want real-time updates, okay, it's kind of hard for me to always publish videos right when I'm making my trades. Please follow me on Twitter, guys. You can just click the link in the description below. Follow me on Twitter. That's where I'll be tweeting out real time where a lot of these stocks are heading, the trades, my entries, my exits, stuff like that. And I'll do my best to upload more, of course. But like I said, uploading videos, it's a lot more time intensive than just simply posting a simple tweet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm about to wrap things up. We'll really see where this play heads, okay? It's been really volatile pre-market, some big green pumps here, a little bit of consolidation. Like I said, I got in at 1770. I'm going to hold. I didn't put a ton of money in, and usually with these plays, I know a lot of people like to YOLO their money, go all in. Like I said, guys, I personally would never think of YOLOing into any of these plays, although that is the best way to grow your account quickly. I'm more on slow and steady wins the race. So I'm definitely trying to grow my account, but I'm not trying to blow it up as well. So like I say, guys, just don't invest too much money that you can't afford to lose. We'll see where this goes. If you guys are looking for potential exit points, I would say a good place would be to place your stops every $10 or so. So maybe placing, stops and maybe, say like if this play falls down to like, 10, 20, 30, 40, that's usually a good point for me. I think that's like a visual point. And I think a lot of traders also have mental stops at those levels if it breaks down or it blasts through that resistance. But we'll see, guys. I don't know. This is a new play. We'll see what happens if this one really pumps. So far, I'm pretty much flat on this trade. I saw a nice little pump here. A little bit of resistance at $20. So we'll see what happens, guys. But it'll be really interesting. Should be an excellent week as well. A lot of excitement last week. So that's it, guys. If you guys enjoyed my channel, be sure to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button as well. And be sure to grab your 2 free stocks over at Webull. Links in the description below. So that's it until next time, guys. Take care.